Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. It's about to fix a little problem that I got with the box real quick. It's just I ain't made the wire long enough. But like, here go a look at them, y'all. A nice little sneak preview of them. But y'all about to get to see the 6.5s in a minute. Yeah, this box was going ham though, but it's not really no super loud SPL system. That really wasn't no super duper great job, but the still should clean it up, but we won't even be able to see it though. Let's see, focus. There we go. We won't be able to see this side anyway, so. And then there go the 3 batteries. I'll wipe them off. You know, it's just been sitting around for about a minute, but I charged them all. So it's gonna be the first time we get to see all of them together. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check out these 6.5s. All right, y'all, we back. Well, you know, I gotta show you guys the rest of this stuff. We're about ready for install though. That's the good news, you know. We're about ready for install. So let's tear this up. Thick serious gauge, 12 gauge. Very high watt. I mean, I don't know what I just dropped on the floor. But very heavy wire. Oh, one of the fuses. Yeah. 300 watt fuses. Also, another anno fuse. Sit over here with all the other stuff. We are ready, y'all. We are ready. Another one. Just another one to have around. That's all. I'm only gonna probably use one of those. I already got like a total of 10 fuses in the car already, you know, and on my amp rack. You guys should be familiar with that too. You know, y'all seen me do the whatchamacallit, the amp rack prep. All right. Now for the big unboxing. Now, we was gonna do this on the last video, but you know, I didn't want to put everything in one video. So let's go. You know, DCs get to see a lot of unboxing up in this mug. Yeah, these mugs are so nice. I mean, when I say nice. There go one. Oh man. Timpano, we're gonna take them all out the box. Timpanos. I never had these before. I actually never heard them before. Man, these are crazy. Box out of here, like damn D say, who gives a about a box? All right, there we go. Let's see if we can sit them there and make them sit there right. Give it a little bit more room. as we can see what we got there. All right, let's go ahead and open one. Got a lot of junk up in here, so can't wait. Oh, whoa, stickers. These are nice though, by the way. I like that sticker. And look at those ones. Look at them. Oh my gosh. These are honestly bigger than what I had in my car at first. Yep. 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 Let's take a good look at them. Man, these look like woofers, man. They don't even look like speakers. Let's open up another one. Wonder will we get another Timpano sticker. There we go. And you know, they are with PRV. That's why I'm comfortable with getting them. Not a sticker. I mean, man, the Jeep is about to get some real love, man. Check that out. Closing that up. All right. Let's see. Y'all see that? Got the little connectors on the side, which is one of the reasons why I brought them too. These are mid-range speakers. They actually look at the big magnet on them, man. They actually look like I mean, this magnet is bigger than a lot of subwoofer magnets that I see. They actually look like subwoofers though, but they're not. These are nicer than I thought, man. I mean, really. They actually look a little bit more beefier than we're gonna take the camera off. Let's get it off. Let's get it off the stand. All right, focus. They actually look a lot bigger than a PRV 6.5s. So we're gonna have 40s. Which I'm kind of crazy about. Let's take a sit in the chair. And I have so much junk up in here, man. Can't wait to get it all in the car so I can get everything back to normal up in here. Supposed to have a little company and bam, they're gonna see all this crap laying around. But yeah, check it out. Let's see on the back of the magnet, do we got the RMS and all that? Well, it says 250 ohms, 250 at 4 ohms, but that's the max wattage. Let's see if we got the RMS wattage on here somewhere. We don't have the RMS wattage on here, but the RMS wattage is 125 watts. Man, these actually look like subwoofers, man. I'm telling you. They actually got the tonsil lead up in there. I mean, I guarantee these will probably give good bass if you let them. But it's not going to be used for bass in my car. Man, I like these, man. Tell me what you guys think of these. This is why I couldn't open them the last video, because that video would have went so long with these up in the video. So, and another thing, if you guys haven't already, join the Facebook group D.I.Y gang. And then if you join it, go ahead and put your build on there. I really want to see you guys build, man. It's called D.I.Y gang, you know, Facebook group. So if you're on Facebook, just go ahead and just look me up real quick. Wow. And what you think of these, man? And whoever got some of these, please let me know. Please let me know. Well, we're ready.
we're ready. Everything is ready. You know, your LD7, all the wiring, the 6.5s. Man, everything is ready to go. The Jeep is about to receive some love. I'm hoping this weekend, no promises though, but I'm hoping this weekend that I'll be able to get all this done. I mean, I'm giving myself like probably about 5 hours. 5 hours to get it done. But yeah, man. So I hope you all like the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.